All right, we're going to do dividing using 2 digits into multiple digits. So 15 into 3,450. First thing we're going to do is divide. You might see 2 digits here and think, how am I going to do that? I can't do 2 digits. Here's the trick. First ask yourself, can 15 go into 3? No. But can 15 go into 34? Yes. All right, so now I'm just going to look at the 34. You see that? 34. And I'm going to look at the 15. Now, I'm going to cover up the ones place for both of those. So now I'm going to cover up the 4 and the 5. So how many times can 1 go into 3? Well, it goes in there 3 times. So that's going to give me a starting place to guess how many times can 15 go into 34. So I'm going to say over here, 15 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, 3 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4. That's 45. That's too big. So I need to go down a number. So let's do 15 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 30. Well, that'll work. So I'm going to say 15 goes into 34 twice. Now, I have to write that over my 4. So I'm going to put a 2. So I've done the division step. Now I'm going to multiply. 2 times 15, we just said, is 30. Now I'm going to subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4, and the 3 minus 3 is 0. Now I'm going to bring down. Okay, so now I need to know how many times does 15 go into 45? Well, cover up your places here, your ones place. How many times does 1 go into 4? 4 times. So we could do 15 times 4. Four times 5 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. That's 60. That's going to be too big. Well, then maybe we need to try times 3. Well, over here we did 15 times 3, and it's 45. Perfect. We have 3. 3 times 15, we're going to multiply down now. 3 times 15 is 45. Subtract, and we get 0. But we're not done. There's a 0 over here, and we can't let it just stay there. We still have to bring down. If there's any numbers left, you still have to bring them down. And you ask yourself, how many times does 15 go into 0? Well, it goes in 0 times. If you don't have that up there, you're going to be in a bit of trouble. 0 times 15 is 0, and we subtract, and we get 0. Now, you might say, well, it's just a 0. Why does it matter? Well, if I said, hey, you're going to get $230 today for helping me out, you're going to care if I forget the 0 and only give you $23. It does matter.